Happy Tuesday, Classy Elegance friends. It's time for Tried and True Tuesday, where I cover products that I have purchased time and time again, and I have found that they have held up to the claims that they promise. So come along. Today we're going to cover concealers. So I first want to start off with a concealer that many of you have probably seen for a few years now. It's been well talked about. It's found in drugstores and it's not that expensive, as well as it does the job, which is important. The first one is Glamoflage, Glamoflage by Hard Candy. This is a heavy duty concealer. They advertise it as something that could even cover tattoos. So if it's going to be able to cover tattoos, it should be able to cover those under eye circles that we all suffer from. This product is thick, so FYI, you just need a tiny little bit of it. I typically take it on the ring finger, on the pad of my ring finger, rub it together, and then just pat it on underneath the eye. FYI, that is the best way to apply concealer, is to use your hands. The warmth from the product, or the warmth from your hands, help meld the product into your skin, as well as you can guarantee that it's going to be seamless and flawless and hold up all day long. The Bare Minerals Concealer in Well Rested. I have bought in containers and containers of this stuff. I love it. And I have been using it for years, and I don't think I'll ever stop. It is a product you can utilize every day. You just take a little bit of it, dust it underneath your under eye, and you're good to go. It works great for the days when you're not feeling like putting on a ton of makeup. You're just going to go out and run a couple errands, and you don't want people to see those dark circles or think that you look well rested. This product does it. As well as how I utilize it on an everyday basis is after I have put on my concealer and I have baked it, then what I'll do is, after I've brushed off the baking powder, I'll just take a little bit of this and just brush it underneath. And I find that it does a good job of not making my under eyes look too bright or too like, wow, as well as it helps just set it, and it works great throughout the day. The IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. As you can see, I love this product. I have 2 tubes of it. Granted, this one's almost out, and so I decided to try the illuminating one. So they have both the regular and the illuminating version. I will say I haven't noticed a ton of a difference in the illuminating version of it being really like, ooh. However, I will say I did purchase the illuminating one in a lighter tone. This one is in light, and I was utilizing light medium. Now, I still utilize this more so for doing the whole contouring on my face. So I'll utilize this one for like my chin, up along my brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, and just kind of neutralize it because I don't want it as bright as this one. The light tone is quite a bit lighter. What made me fall in love with the Bye Bye Under Eye is it is a concealer that is waterproof. It lasts all day long. It has full coverage. It costs around $30, so it's not bad. The tube lasts so long, as well as the fact that I can't tell you how many times at the end of the day, when the rest of my makeup may be falling off, I still see my concealer. And to me, that's important. I rather have my under eye concealed and everyone else can see the rest of this face. But the under eye is important because I don't want anyone seeing those dark circles of mine. Thank you all for watching, and hope to see you back soon. Take care. Bye-bye.